Okay, so what I'm actually trying to do is to set up the basic process that will help me analyze this steel bridge. And what I'm using is nothing but Python and a finite element library called openseespy. So the first thing I did is to define the structural element and connect them. Some are vertical, some are horizontal, and some are diagonal. And you should understand that this analysis is the 2D structural analysis. So we are using 2D, not 3D structural analysis, in which we have 3 degrees of freedom at each node. So then I add the load that will be on the structure. And in this case, it is a static analysis and not dynamic. The next thing I did is I defined the boundary condition while where there is roller and there is pin support. Then I run the analysis and get the deflection and the axial forces. So these things are very easy to learn, but it is just that when you understand the documentation of the library that you are using, and then maybe you can use ChatGPT and other tools, and it will help you to understand how to do these things. So if you need the code, I think you can leave a reply in the comment section and I will give it to you. Thank you very much.